Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in gardening essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of ornamental grasses with what many consider the best Black Mondo grass available. Ophiopogon planiscapus nigrescens. Black Mondo grass, known for its striking deep purple-black foliage, is a favorite among gardeners looking to add a dramatic touch to their landscapes. This perennial evergreen thrives in various light conditions, from full sun to partial shade, making it incredibly versatile for different garden setups. Let's talk about what makes these divisions so special. Each bare root division is carefully cultivated to ensure robust growth and vibrant coloration. With an expected blooming period in summer and an optimal planting time during the same season, it's perfect for enhancing your garden's aesthetic during warmer months. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Black Mondo grass offers practical benefits too. Its dense clumps provide excellent ground cover, helping to suppress weeds naturally. Plus, it's low maintenance once established, requiring minimal care to thrive. Planting these bare root divisions is straightforward. Ensure the soil is well draining and amend it with organic matter for best results. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball, place the division with the roots spread out, and cover it gently with soil. Water thoroughly after planting and maintain regular moisture until established. To keep your Black Mondo grass healthy, provide adequate water during dry spells and remove any dead foliage periodically. A light fertilizer application in spring can also promote vigorous growth. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, adding Ophiopogon planiscapus nigrescens to your collection is a fantastic choice for enhancing your outdoor space with its unique beauty and practical benefits. That wraps up our review of the 5 bare root Black Mondo grass divisions. If you're interested in adding this stunning ornamental grass to your garden, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews on gardening essentials. Until next time, happy gardening!